To use an Xfinity router without a cable box, the bridge mode feature can be utilized, which allows the router to turn off its routing capabilities while keeping the modem running, leaving the Xfinity home Wi-Fi hotspot active. Enabling this feature is straightforward. By accessing the Xfinity router settings through a web browser at 10.0.0.1, logging in with the credentials, defaulting to admin for the username and password for the password if unchanged, and selecting Gateway from the left sidebar menu. Then clicking At a Glance, and enabling the option next to Bridge Mode, after which an OK confirmation is required. Once Bridge Mode is enabled, it's possible to connect a smart TV to the Xfinity Wi-Fi network, allowing access to streaming services like Hulu or Netflix, as well as live TV through the Xfinity Stream app. This process effectively enables the use of the Xfinity router without the need for a cable box, providing an easy and convenient way to stream content.